Hey, what's up? This is Cajun with Edgyvette. It's Saturday, and while Eve is at Clearwater Beach with her toes in the sand, I'm taking care of the important stuff. So, Saturday morning, got up about 6 a.m., decided that I was going to do a 3-stage wax process on the black car. I haven't done this for a long time, and so I got out my mother's 3-stage waxing kit and got busy on the black car. I am extremely happy with the way it came out. This is the PTS single turbo G1 Pro intake manifold CR port fueler, 850 wheel horsepower car here. And then around here, since I'm done with the wax job, I'm going to get started on Eve's white car, and I'm going to install the Devil's Own direct port meth injection system on her Nitrous Express lid, and we're going to power that with an Alky Control pump and some lines from Julio, our good friend over at Alky Control. So that's my Saturday. I'm completely wet. It's about 180% humidity here in Tampa, but no better place to be than in the garage with the TV and taking your time doing something that you love, and that is messing around with our cars. Have a good day, guys. Keep it safe, keep it fast. Edgyvette.